Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these oh so cute fish earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Take a ball of pink clay, roll it out, and place it on the fish body. This will be the top of the fish. Roll out another ball of pink clay and place it opposite the first one. This will be the bottom of the fish body. Roll out a ball of pink clay into a flattened teardrop shape and place this on the side of the fish body. Repeat with the second side. Take another ball of pink clay, roll it out, and place it at the back of the fish body. This will be the fin. Using your tissue blade, cut lines into all of the pink parts of the fish. Take an oh so tiny ball of pink clay and place it in the front of the fish. This will be the mouth. Use a rounded tool to poke a hole for the fish mouth. Place 2 balls of white clay directly above the fish mouth. Add on an itty bitty black dot for both eyes. I'm going to decorate the fish fin with tiny balls of blue clay. Pre-poke your eye hook holes at the top of each fish, and then add in your eye hooks. Bake your fish. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. Assemble your fish earrings. All you will need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your fish are done. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do post videos twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday at 1:30 p.m. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!